So I'll be doing my presentation over my hero. My hero is my dad. A few great qualities I've learned in my life about him is that uh, he's very outgoing, he's very kind, great charisma, hardworking, and he's always perseveres. Ever since he was young, he's been a huge North Carolina fan. He was a North Carolina fan because of his dad, and when my dad was about 25 years old, his father died to cancer. And on June 9th, 2015, my dad was diagnosed with stage 4 gastrointestinal stromal tumor, also known as GIST cancer. It kind of made me feel a way I'd never actually felt before. It was a mix of sad and knowing that whatever challenge ever lies ahead, whatever bumps in the road, that he will beat it and we'll be able to kick cancer's butt. A couple reasons why he's my hero. He showed me community, faith, and unity. He showed me community through just his simple acts of kindness and energy can have a big impact on an entire community. An example of when I saw this was that we held a welcome home party from the hospital, and nearly 100 people showed up in shirts, all in North Carolina blue, that said "Jay's got this" across them. And this was just to show him the support that he showed to them, and also the kindness that he showed to them. He showed me faith because in the past couple of months, he got news that a new tumor has started to grow in his lymph node, and that he would have to have surgery. But there was also a chance that we couldn't have the surgery due to it being surrounded by a lot of blood vessels. So I turned to God, and the 4 nights leading up to whether he could have the surgery or not, I prayed just asking God that we could have the surgery and get through this. And on the morning of when we figured out that he could have the surgery, and on May 9th of this year, he will be having the surgery. And he showed me unity through him showing me how to act as a family. He showed me that when it comes down to it, family is all that you got, and being close with family helps you take pain off of your shoulders that you might not be able to release with some of your friends or just co-workers. How he's been an inspiration to me. He's inspired me to never give up, and that he'll be fighting to the end no matter what it takes. So obviously surgery isn't the best option, or isn't a great option, but it was best for his family and for him at the same time. And since he's been fighting this, he works constantly, and that right there just shows me that whatever knocks me down, whatever bumps in the road, that I can get through it and that I can keep moving on. And finally, since he was diagnosed in 2015, he was told to get off work for about three months, the whole summer, and that after that he should be able to work again full time, taking it slow and slowly building back up. But when he went back to work after 2.5 months, he started off working 12-hour shifts just because he's a hardworking guy, and that's what he's done his whole life since he was 18. And here recently, he's bumped it up to 13-hour shifts, and like I said, it's just because he's hardworking and he never gives up. Recently, obviously, he's been feeling sick with everything going on, but he goes in and works those 13-hour shifts because that's how he grew up and he knew what to do. And finally, his favorite saying, and what we have everywhere out there about him, is hashtag Jay's got this.